The Federal Reserve Board announced Tuesday the establishment of a commercial paper funding facility (CPFF) to support the flow of credit to small businesses and households. With further volatility expected in the traditional markets due to coronavirus fears, it could provide the right opportunity for Bitcoin by now to step in on the dominance of the American dollar as the world's reserve currency. Businesses are facing an acute shortage of working capital and industries potentially staring at bankruptcy, and central banks across the globe have begun easing interest rates. This has sparked fears of fresh currency entering the market, similar to what happened during the global financial crisis of 2008. Coronavirus fears sparked printing of fresh currency in the aftermath of the 2008 economic crisis. The recapitalization model, pioneered by then British Prime Minister Gordon Brown, became the European standard and was adopted by other Eurozone central banks. The total package cost an estimated $2 trillion for all EU states. It is widely known that European central banks funded bailouts of most banks by issuing fresh currency. If another economic slowdown takes place due to the coronavirus pandemic in the near future, it is highly possible that central banks will once again issue a new currency. This, in turn, will naturally result in the rapid devaluation of their respective currencies. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is scarce and has a fixed supply of 21 million with a predetermined inflation rate, which completely eliminates the possibility of devaluation. As the forex market becomes highly volatile, many countries will likely experience widespread unrest, some of which could affect the equity and bond markets as well. Ultimately, this will affect international trade and other global payment settlements between vendors. The latest financial slowdown presents an excellent opportunity for the digital currency to replace the American dollar as the world's reserve and dominant currency. In the interim, however, the Federal Reserve could improve transparency and maintain trust with the masses by using blockchain technology further. You can read full post on cryptofans. News, link available in text below.